In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upgrade to Shopify Plus. Upgrading to Shopify Plus is a straightforward process, but it helps to go step by step and make sure you are in the correct place inside your Shopify admin. Before you begin, take a moment to ensure you are logged into the admin account that manages billing and plan settings. Also, have a quick look at what you can expect to see on screen because the labels we will use, like Settings, Plan, and Upgrade, are located in specific parts of the interface. First, click Settings. You can find this in the bottom left area of your admin dashboard. Look for the gear icon, since that is the standard symbol for settings. When you click it, the Settings menu will open and you will see various options related to your store configuration. This step matters because the plan controls are grouped within the Settings area, not within the main dashboard sections. Next, click Plan in the left menu. After the Settings page loads, move your attention to the left side of the screen, where a vertical menu appears. Select Plan so you can access the billing and subscription options tied to your current Shopify plan. This is the area where Shopify shows your current tier and where you start the process to move to Shopify Plus. After you open the Plan section, click Choose Plan. On the Plan page, you should see a button that lets you select or switch your plan. Click Choose Plan to proceed to the plan selection interface. This step matters because it transitions you from viewing your current plan details to actually selecting an upgrade path. Once you click Choose Plan, you will be ready to move up to Shopify Plus. The next part is to click Upgrade under the Shopify Plus tier. When the plan options appear, locate the Shopify Plus option in the list of tiers. Under that specific Shopify Plus section, there will be an Upgrade button. Click Upgrade to start the upgrade. Make sure you click the button that is directly associated with the Shopify Plus tier so you do not accidentally choose the wrong plan. Now you can upgrade. At this stage, Shopify will typically guide you through the remaining confirmations and any necessary steps to finalize the switch. Follow along with what is shown on screen and pay attention to any messages that confirm the upgrade or summarize what will change. If you see prompts that require you to agree or confirm details, review them carefully before proceeding. This step matters because it ensures the upgrade goes through correctly and that your store moves to the right subscription level. After the upgrade is initiated, allow a little time for the changes to process. Depending on your store and billing configuration, you may see status updates as Shopify applies the new plan. If anything requires attention, Shopify will usually highlight what is needed so you can complete it without guessing. That is the full upgrade flow. Open Settings using the gear icon, choose Plan from the left menu, click Choose Plan, and then click Upgrade under the Shopify Plus tier. Once you reach the point where you can upgrade, follow the on-screen confirmations to complete everything successfully. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.